Moving on, will the capital injection by Rubis Energy Kenya save the fortunes of the National Oil Corporation of Kenya? That is the question as attention shifts to cleaning the company's loan book and turning around its falling market share. Yesterday, the government announced that Rubis Energy has entered into a 6 billion shillings non-equity partnership with the state-owned oil and gas company. NOC Managing Director Leparan Morintat says the oil and gas business is capital intensive, requiring substantial investment and operational flexibility to stay competitive.
Government documents indicate that as of 2024, NOC has been grappling with the rise in debt owed to banks and other creditors, which are currently valued at 7.9 billion shillings. To eliminate these legacy debts and to find a path to corporate profitability, the state agency has sought a new direction.
And so to us, a rebranded, refreshed, much better looking and appealing retail stations for the National Oil Corporation, coupled with increased volumes, with increased profitability.
The partnership is a component of NOC's broader turnaround strategy, which aims to scale up its downstream operations and strengthen its position in the petroleum products trading and marketing space. This entails ensuring security of petroleum supply, stabilizing of fuel prices, and reduction of the cost of living and doing business in Kenya.
And so with Rubis coming in with working capital and financing capital expenditure, it means that we are going to rebound back to profitability, our volumes.
As a non-equity strategic partner, Rubis Energy Kenya will provide financial support, working capital financing, market development initiatives, and capital expenditure CapEx financing for rebranding, rehabilitation, and expansion of NOC's retail network. The partnership also encompasses the development of a new enterprise resource planning system to improve business processes and customer experience, and collaboration in the fuel card business to enhance customer engagement and service delivery. Alan Auko, Prime Edition.